Turn the lights out, baby. This one's for the ladies in the house. No, it sounds funny, but I just can't stand
Happy
the pain.
birthday!
Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow. Seems to me, girl, you know I've done all
Hi
I can.
Jeff! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
You see a big stone on the
6 years na tayo
borrow.
magkakaibigan. Thank you for
Yeah.
being our good
Why
friend,
is
my good
it?
friend. Thank you for always being there, especially kapag in trouble ako. Tapos alam mo agad na may problema ako. Thank you for being there. Thank you for treating me as a family, treating us as a family and our kids.
And always remember, dapat lagi mong tatandaan
Tagal.
na pagpapati ay mabait.
I wanna be free. Just me. Oh,
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hindi ka nagpainom ha? To, cheers na lang.
Cheers!
Cheers. Happy birthday, Jeff!
Hi Kuya, happy birthday! Enjoy your day and stay safe and stay healthy lagi.
Ingat sa mga rides and ingat sa pagka-ride.
Bye! Happy birthday! Happy birthday Kuya! Love you!
why is it?
Hi Kuya Jeff, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best and see you guys soon. Ride safe all the time.
Why is it?
Happy Gangsta Day, man. Hope you enjoy your birthday and keep living your good life and stay healthy. Bye.